Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to put up wallpaper. Now this isn't your ordinary wallpaper, it's called timber paper and it's for renters or people who don't want to commit to plastering on real wallpaper. I have used it, ooh, can't really see that, but I've used this before. I tested it, I put up a different pattern in my bedroom about like 5 or 6 years ago. Haven't had any issues, and I've been in my apartment so many years, so I like to redecorate to make it feel new and fresh, and like I just like to feel like I haven't been in my apartment forever, even though I have. So I've done a little sprucing up, switched out some lighting, changed my curtains, new throw pillows, new coffee table, decor stuff, and new dining stuff. So now my final piece to the puzzle is to switch up the wall behind me, and I'm going to show you how easy it is because I think people are really intimidated by this, and it should only take me maybe like 2 hours, 3 tops. What's really great about this thing is they have a wallpaper calculator, and it's awesome because it really helps you figure out how much rolls you need. They do have 2 separate sizes you can buy depending on what type of wall you're doing. So I just typed in my length by width, and the wallpaper calculator told me how much square foot of wallpaper I needed, and I ordered them. They arrived, and now I'm ready to put them up. So I didn't really clean my walls. I do normally clean my walls, but I figured since I'm putting up wallpaper, what's the point? But I did scrub the baseboards and polish my floors so that it looks really cute in here. So let's get right into it. So there you have it. My wall is complete. I did take some breaks in between. I needed to eat and everything, but all in all, it only took me about 2.5 hours. So, and I showed you how detailed I got in the corners of cutting and then cutting around my outlet. It was super easy. All you need is a ruler and an X-Acto knife and you're all set. So I'm excited. My living room now looks way brighter, which is awesome. And I have a beautiful wall behind me. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on all my social media handles. Everything is Stylish Faith. And if you guys have any comments or suggestions, DM me. I love it. I'll see you guys next week. All right.